What is happening YouTube, your boy TechTrex back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to play karaoke, how to sing karaoke on your Apple TV using tvOS 13. Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. Now today, we know that tvOS 13 had released for developers account. So people who have tvOS 13 will be able to do this. Make sure to install that to your Apple TV before trying this out. If you want to know how to install it yourself as well, I made a video and I'll link that down below as well, so you can go ahead and install that yourself. So basically, if you have Apple Music and if you have tvOS 13, you'll be able to do this. From the past updates of iOS, Apple have been increasing the amount of Apple Music, and so many music is on Apple Music now. And the one thing that they added and they updated on is having lyrics. We already have lyrics before on Apple Music, but now we have lyrics that are moving within the song. So when the song plays, as the song plays, you'll be able to sing along with it because the lyrics would turn out just like how we have it on our screen. Now let's go ahead and show you how to do this. So all you need to do is have Apple Music tvOS 13 and you'll be able to do this. So let's go ahead and open up Music app and pick any songs you want. Here you'll be able to, if you have Apple Music, you'll be able to select whatever music you want, and all the library, all the music. It's amazing how Apple even released this, and you'll be able to just basically have any music you want, no matter how old it is, and use it for karaoke. If we want to have an older song, Backstreet Boys. There you go. Now just go to Backstreet Boys artists. I know all of you wants to sing along with Backstreet Boys, right? So let's go ahead and open that up. Let's see if Apple TV, or let's see if Apple Music have lyrics for these. Let's do this one, 1999, Millennium. As you guys can see, right there. Now, as you can see, now the lyrics, as the song plays, it would move with it. So now you'll be able to sing along with the music. Just like in karaoke, if you forget the lyrics, you'll be able to see it on the screen. Now, all you need to do is set up some mics so that you can hear yourself, and then make sure that you can hear the music as well. As of right now, unfortunately, you won't be able to take out the lyrics of the song, so you won't have what they call is -1, where you just hear the music, not the lyrics when it's playing. But hopefully one day Apple will be able to have that function on the Apple Music. Now this not only works on the Apple TV if you have tvOS 13, it also works on iPhone and iPads if you have iOS 13. So basically, if you have Apple Music and iOS 13, tvOS 13, you'll be able to do this. Now you'll be able to mount your phone on your car and have a sing-along as well. Make it a karaoke special. And there you go. If you want to pause the music, just go ahead and pause it. And there you go. You'll be able to pick any songs you want. Sometimes they don't have the lyrics for them, but most times they do. So it's very useful to sing along with your favorite artist, favorite song, and you'll be able to just have that karaoke style right on your Apple TV. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to party with karaoke on your Apple TV. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.